Hello everyone, happy Thursday and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a different style of video, a do it with me video. So we're on the move. If you see a lot of shaking or movement, bear with me. I'm going to be trying this product and I'm hoping it's as good as the reviews claim it is. This is the Real Techniques by Sam and Nick brush cleaning palette for fast and easy brush cleaning. It says it cleans brushes 3 times better, and you swirl, lather, and rinse. It tells you here on the box where to clean your small brushes, your medium brushes, and your large brushes. So I took the liberty of taking it out of the box already. It comes with 2 little packets of brush cleaner. So we'll use that. What do you use to clean your brushes? I typically use Dawn soap. You can hold this in your hand. It has a handle on it. Or you can just lay it in the sink, which is what I'm going to do here. And let's give it a go. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to clean, yikes. This is a foundation brush that I'm going to clean. I'm going to go ahead and set you guys down here for a second. Open this cleanser and see how it goes. Okay. There we go. I'm going to put a little bit of the cleanser in the dish. And it says that large brushes or foundation brushes should be done in this top part here. Well, it's probably easier to hold, but we'll make do. Wow, I can already see that it's getting the foundation of the brush. Foundation brushes, I think, are the most difficult to clean because the foundation really sticks in there. So, I'm using the large brush part, making sure to get the outsides. When you're cleaning your brushes, you don't want to turn them upside down or tang down because you'll get water inside the tang and it can cause bacteria to grow. So right now I'm just going to rinse all the soap out so it doesn't leave a tacky residue. Wow, you guys, look at that. Clean as a whistle. Let's try just one more. This one's pretty light on the... This one has blush and highlighter and everything. So let's give this one a go and see how she does. We'll just use the Dial and a bacterial soap. And I'll pump a couple of squirts in there. And we'll really get it. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, foundation water. Especially with heavy foundations like the one I'm wearing today, Too Faced Born This Way, full coverage foundation. They're a little more difficult to get out of your brushes. Wow. I am impressed. That is super clean. So anyway, that's the brush cleaner I picked up today at Ulta Beauty for $10. Real Techniques. Wasn't terribly expensive. The girl raved about it and she was right. It works. I would definitely recommend it, especially for those of you who have been washing your brushes by hand like I do. It's a lot of work. So thanks for hanging out with me. I know this is a short video. I have a lot going on. Sinus infection, and I haven't been feeling very well, and lots to do here at home in preparation for my trip to Michigan. So see you guys later. Bye.